What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I am so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Because I've been in the Philippines, can you believe it? For over 1 year. Over 1 year. Anymore, but I'm currently living in Cebu. I've been in the Philippines for over 1 year. Whatever, I have not had adobo. So today I was able to get some adobo chicken. And I forgot what they call this noodle thing. If any of you guys, any Filipino that's on this call, please comment what is the name of it. I completely forgot. It's very popular here because I completely forgot what's the name of it. But instead of it's being made with pork, it's made with chicken as well. Very delicious. So beautiful plate. We have some calamansi right here, the noodles, and adobo chicken. This is my first time having adobo chicken. And I know you guys see this big, beautiful cup here. There's a little ghetto that you can't take out of me, you know what I'm saying? So, but this is filled with water, not drinks or not juice or soda. I'm trying to be a little bit healthy. You know, some of y'all may know I'm on my weight loss journey. So, let's get into it. First, let's cleanse the palate, right? Okay. Being honest with you, I'm going straight to the chicken, right? Ooh, let's start with a thigh. Look at this thigh. Delicious. The sauce is sticky. It's very good. Yo, this is fucking good. This is really good. This is probably one of the best things I had here in the Philippines. Nah, this is fucking good. This reminds me of Jamaican stew chicken, a brown stew chicken. A mild taste of that. This is fucking good. Oh my God. This is good. All right, let's get into this. Nah, this is good. This is fucking good. By the way, I did not get this from a restaurant. One of my brothers, his help make this all the time, right? And so I basically asked him if she could make this for me. I'll pay her for it. And she made this for me. So this was home cooked. I can't believe I lived in the Philippines and not tried this. Let's try this. All right, let's get some of that veggie in there. Raw. Let's get some, what is that, cabbage. Look at that. Nice bite. See that? Yep. Some chicken in here too. I don't want to wait for nothing. So she served it. She put calamansi. Am I supposed to like put this on it? I don't really want those seeds. Let me put this right here. Put the calamansi juice on it. I love calamansi like juice, like the drink. Oh. Nice tang. I need some napkin and a piece of chicken here. Nice drum. I just want a little bit on it. Boom. This is good. This is fucking good. Should not be cursing. This is good. Oh man. What's the worst part? It's like I haven't ate all day. It's not my first meal. This is delicious. A little bit of spring green onions in there. Like cabbage, peppers, all that. Can't forgot this sriracha. I didn't even need it. God, that's how you know I ain't lying. This is good. I didn't even want to put the sriracha on it, literally. But you know, I love sriracha. Sriracha sponsor me. Oh, this is good. I'm so happy right now, guys. I'm so happy. This is good. Can't forget the bath. Gotta cleanse the palate. I'm so hood, I still got the label on it. Oh, fuck. Do not care. It's my house. I drink out of what I want to drink out of. This is delicious, man. This is very good. Listen, if you've been watching my videos, you know if I like something. And I didn't know I do this. So my wife pointed it out. She's like, you want to know when you want to know how I know you love what you're eating? I was like, how? She said, every time you're eating something you love, you start moaning. I said, what? So now I gotta catch myself. Like I almost did it. Oh man, this is good. She said I also eat very fast when I love the food. I'm not leaving nothing, guys. Like, I just had to do it. It's such a habit. I'm like, don't chew the bone. I just had to bite into it. I don't know why. I'm eating my hands and shit. It's so good. I'm gonna have that lady make me another batch. Can you believe it? 1 year in the Philippines, over 1 year, it's like 19 months. My first time trying adobo. Look at that. You know what I love about the Philippines? When they sell the wing of the chicken, they usually put it a piece of breast on it. It's not just, I know this is adobo, so the way it's cut, but whenever I get chicken wing, it's always a piece of breast, whether I get fried chicken from McDonald's, wherever. Nice breast meat. This is fucking delicious. I keep cursing, but god damn. Right over here, right here, the chicken was there. So the sauce from the chicken with the noodles, oh my god. I want everything. This is good. You have to bite. I gave my wife some before I had some, because I brought this and I was like, you gotta try this. We never had this. So she's probably upstairs killing this thing right now in the bedroom. But man, scale 1 to 10. 1 being awful, 10 being amazing. It's just a 20. It's a 20. Like, it's, listen, but this right here, this is what I'm talking about. I've been here over a year, and this is my first time trying adobo chicken. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. That was a good meal. That was a good meal. 100 out of 10. That was a great meal. But thank you guys for watching this video. If there's while I'm here in the Philippines, if there's anything else you guys would like me to try, please let me know, and I will definitely try it.